Conclusions. The basic substance of this planet is an alloy of dibernium osmium. It couldn't have evolved naturally.
Captain, it doesn't make sense. In fact, nothing about this planet makes sense.
Except for a momentary fluctuation on your instrument. This planet has no magnetic field. Apparent age of these rocks is only a few thousand years. No known process could evolve the plant life they have here in that short space of time.
You're suggesting this might be an artificial planet?
But Captain, where are the people who made it? Why can't we see them? The planet might be hollow. They might be shielding themselves from our sensor probes. It's dark. Get some rest. Tomorrow I'll have to find some food and some water, or it's going to be a very unpleasant stay.
While it lasts.
I'll take the first watch there. Right. Take the alarm of those tricorders, set it for automatic distress. You'll never can tell.
I see.
When terror can strike anywhere.
Grab your weapon. Time to go to school.
These heroes are ready at all times. The Unit, every Tuesday, starting at noon, 11 Central, on HNI. Upset stomach? Ibirogast. Indigestion? Ibirogast. Bloating? Ibirogast. Thanks to a unique combination of herbs, Ibirogast helps relieve 6 digestive symptoms to help you feel better. 6 digestive symptoms, the power of nature. Ibirogast.
I am Tony Hawk, and like many of you, I take a statin to reduce cholesterol. But statins can also deplete CoQ10 levels. That's why my doctor recommended Cunol CoQ10. Cunol has the #1 cardiologist recommended form of CoQ10. Cunol, the brand I trust.
Are you suffering with painful feet and legs? Taking medication just masks the problem. The answer is the revolutionary Flow, the incredible new medical device that delivers a rapid and effective therapy for foot and leg pain. Now you can hit pain where it hurts and get your legs and feet feeling years younger. Thanks to Flow's advanced technology, simply place your feet on the pads, choose the level of intensity with the handy remote, then sit back and relax as Flow goes to work.
Flow has put me back on my feet again for over 12 hours a day.
I love Flow because it's taking my pain away.
My legs haven't felt this good in years.
Flow provides energizing relief, boosting your legs' blood circulation and your mobility. The secret is stimulating circulation with variable intensity levels.
Poor circulation leads to soreness, numbness, and pain. My patients using Flow are finally getting relief. They're up, moving, and enjoying life again.
The first time that I used Flow, I didn't have any more pain afterwards. I'm a professional salsa dancer, so I've been able to do the things that I really, really love to do.
Give your legs a boost and finally get moving again with soothing stimulation. The FDA-cleared Flow helps you reduce pain, swelling, muscle cramps, and boost your circulation. No awkward exercises, no crazy pedaling. It's cordless and portable. Anywhere. You can even relax and recline with Flow. Pain Gone has over 2 million happy users and thousands of 5-star reviews, with an amazing 90% of users feeling pain relief.
You can feel it going all the way up and reducing the pain. It's so cool. This is amazing.
Now, for a limited time, call or go online to get your own Flow with free shipping and 60-day in-home trial. Order today and you'll also get Arthro pads for targeted pain relief on your knees. Absolutely free. Order now.
Call 800-745-2641. That's 800-745-2641.
Spock to sick bay. Have you completed the autopsy on Watkins, Doctor?
Yes, we have, Mr. Spock.
Was the cause of his death the same as that which killed the transporter officer?
Well, Captain, the cellular destruction was the same.
Yes. Your guess is as good as mine. My guess, Doctor. I suggest we refrain from guessing and find some facts.
Spock out.
The power of this intruder to disrupt every cell in a body, combined with the almost inconceivable power required to hurl the Enterprise such a distance, speak of a very high culture and a very great danger.
You mean one of the people who threw us 1,000 light years away from that planet is on board and killing our people?
A reasonable assumption, Mr. Scott.
And you're right, Mr. Spock. Watkins must have been murdered. I sent him in to check the matter-antimatter reactor. There are no exposed circuits there. It couldn't have been anything he touched.
If there are more of those beings on that planet, the captain and the others are in very great danger.
I am unarmed.
Who are you?
That is not important. You are Lieutenant Sulu. You were born on the planet Earth. You're helmsman for the Enterprise.
How do you know this? Where'd you get this information? Are you from this planet?
I am from here.
And the planet is hollow. Who killed Lieutenant Diamato? Alright. The captain will want to talk to you. That way. Move!
You do not understand. I have come for you.
What do you want?
I want to touch you.
You are on the Enterprise. Keep back.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.